Today we have the pleasure to introduce the new Academy batch. They joined us the previous Monday, as you have just said, and they are going to introduce themselves today. They came from Universidad de La Coruña, Universidad de Oviedo, and ESNE. But let's give the word to them as they are going to introduce themselves.
Hello, I'm Javi, and I'm here to join the platform engineering path and to implement the backstage platform to restore the order of the infrastructure and increase the team's efficiency. But not everything is about technology. In addition, I'm also a lover of everything related with the motor world. So if you ever want to talk about anything related, I'm the right guy, as well as Lucas, who is also a motorbike lover.
Well, I'm Lucas, and as my teammate said, both of us are interested in motorbikes. But unfortunately, I don't have one yet. So this might be one of the reasons why I like to do sport and trying to improve myself. Part of this motivation to always try to improve is what made me decide to learn more about the profile of DevOps. Learn and understand how the architectural parts of projects fit together smoothly and reliably, because understanding, as we have learned these days in empathy, is an important value for our work and environment. And now Sara is going to introduce herself and her path.
Thanks, Lucas. Hi, I'm Zara, and if there's something that my colleagues and I can agree on, is the importance of the message and how it connects with the consumer. Brands may have an important story to tell, but how can we present it to the user in the most joyful and engaging way possible? That's what we are keen to learn from empathy in the UX UI path. And it's funny because telling a story is exactly what made me decide to become a graphic designer. Not only did I wanted to express my message, but also wanted to help others to communicate their valuable stories. And while reading and environmentalism, I also love taking photos, which is a hobby that I share with one of my teammates, right, Jorge?
Indeed, Sara. I like the way photography shows the photographer perspective through a still image. And I think that is one of the reasons why I started to study design. Then find out that technology is a powerful tool, not only to reach a wider audience, but also to open new paths to the designer, something that I think matches with empathy. This interest in technology led me to explore new ways of expression and creation, something that I share with Diego, so I let him explain more about it.
Hello, my name is Diego, and ever since I was a little child, I've been fascinated by technology. It's such a key piece of our society, and it shapes everything around us, from things like the way we shop to the way we communicate to one another. Equally as important as how technology works is how it looks. A product has to provoke positive emotions on the user to create joy, and that is what us designers need to achieve. It's this way of taking into consideration the user's feelings that I think truly separates empathy from its competitors. Because we are nothing without the people we collaborate with. A product needs to be well presented and explained in order to reach more customers. And such a vital task is in the hands of our friends on the Amplify path. I'll leave you with Paula so she can explain more about it.
Well, hi, I'm Paula. I'm going to join the Amplify path. It isn't an ordinary marketing department. It's a philosophy, a different way of seeing marketing. Its main goal is to amplify and communicate anything that happens inside the company, assuming that everyone has a voice in empathy. And about me, I like practicing sports and I love animals, especially dogs. I'm glad to be doing my internship in empathy, being able to share and increase my experience, and above all, to become more human. What about you, Lucia?
Hi, I'm Lucía. Since I was very young, I've had this eagerness to learn, no matter about what topic. And when I was 15, I decided to move to the States under the approval of my parents to continue my studies and to cultivate this ambition. Since then, I've developed a passion for anything that occurs beyond national frontiers, different cultures, food, different languages. Coming down to earth, I love nature, especially animals. I love reading, and of course, I love traveling. To wrap up, if there's one thing I firmly believe in, is that actions speak louder than words. And this is why, speaking for myself and speaking for all of my academy mates, we want to give thanks to all of you, not only for carrying the banner of trust, but actually for exercising it. Thank you for giving us the chance to be part of the team. And also thanks for giving us such a warm welcome. We will surely do our best.